Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through a quick and easy way to disable the Confirm Before Deleting feature in your Gmail app. If you've ever found that annoying pop-up asking you to confirm whenever you delete an email, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right in and streamline your email experience. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines and is located in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on that to open the side menu. Now, scroll down through the menu options until you find Settings. Go ahead and tap on Settings to proceed. In the Settings menu, you'll see an option called General Settings. Select that to access some general preferences related to how Gmail behaves. Scroll down inside General Settings until you come across the section labeled Action Confirmations. This area controls those little prompts you may see when performing certain actions, like deleting emails. Here's the crucial step. Find the toggle switch for Confirm Before Deleting. By default, this is usually turned on, which means Gmail will always ask you to confirm before it deletes an email. To turn off this confirmation, simply toggle the switch to the off position. This means that from now on, when you delete emails, they will disappear immediately without asking for confirmation. Perfect if you're confident and want to speed things up. And that's it. You've now disabled the Confirm Before Deleting feature in Gmail. This simple change can save you a few clicks whenever you clean up your inbox. Just remember, without this confirmation prompt, deleted emails will go straight to your trash. So be mindful as you swipe or tap delete. Thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial.